Now to something free that benefits the children in our communities. It's all being held by an alliance created by a group of black men who also just happen to be educators.
Victor Williams has more on what they're doing to make sure no student gets left behind.
Well, this is really going to benefit the students in the classroom. We're talking about a workshop for educators and parents that just want to see their students succeed.
It's important for us to dig in. Schools got to play their part, but the community got to play their part too.
I'm asking something very important. You're here because you care.
And the community was doing just that as the Black Male Educators Alliance spent Saturday hosting a free literacy and math workshop at the school at Marygrove High. It's all being done in hopes of increasing the chances of students getting ahead in both subjects.
We know the numbers are not bright, and so it's an opportunity for us to come together and figure out how do we create strategies together as a community to support our children.
Think about it as an extremely interactive way for the Alliance to provide resources with the ultimate goal of tackling low proficiency rates. But Irvin Colston is an educator with DPSCD who really believes as a result, students are getting the upper hand.
This is a great opportunity for me to gather resources and take them back to my students and enhance their educational experience.
It's all absolutely free. Great news, especially knowing that educators who attend the workshop can earn hours towards their professional development. Win-win situation for everyone involved.
The state of Michigan gives sketches, which are those additional credits that you need to stay certified for teachers and leaders. And so we're one of the approved organizations that can do that. And so teachers and leaders that come here can also get credit towards their continuing education.
And the parents couldn't be happier with the work that's being done.
It's exciting. I am eager for my son to be a part of such a structured community with black male educators, black male mentors. This is something that I've been looking into for such a long time.
And we're told that the work will continue and events like this will keep on happening for absolutely free. Victor Williams, Local 4.